everyone! Guess what? There's a brand new affordable phone and it's causing a stir. Are you curious? Let's check it out. First, let's unbox it. The box is cool and good for the planet. Inside, we've got the phone, a super fast charger, a Type-C cable, and a clear case to protect it. Awesome! Now let's see how it looks. This phone has a beautiful matte finish and feels really expensive. It's well made for its price, feels strong, and fits comfortably in your hand. Look at the screen. It's a big and bright 6.5-inch screen with a super smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. Watching videos and playing games will be amazing. Speaking of games, this phone is powerful. It has a great processor and 6 GB of RAM. So no more slowdowns when you're playing games or doing lots of things at once. Let's talk about the camera. It has 3 cameras on the back with a 50MP main camera that takes clear and colorful photos, even when it's dark. And selfie lovers, you'll love the 16MP front camera. The battery is a champ. It's a 5000 mAh battery that will easily last all day, even if you use your phone a lot. And with 33W fast charging, it charges up super quick. It runs the latest Android 13, which is easy to use, has very few extra apps, and runs smoothly. And yes, it's ready for 5G, so you're all set for the future. The best part? All of this is under Rs15,000. It's a fantastic deal. If you're looking for a great phone that doesn't break the bank, this is it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech videos, and tell me what you think in the comments below. Click the links in the description to get your own. Thanks for watching.